Alright guys, Henderson, Nevada. I'm not sure of the date. September 2013. Joey right here.
Hey.
Oh
Shoot.
Get away. Go get him, Joe. Get the lizard. Get the lizard. Joey's going to try to capture a lizard. And be careful when your hands are under the scorpions. He's right there. The lizard is right there. He's running scared. And he jolted. Where's he going? Wait, slow. Back up. Okay, there he is. There's a lizard. There's my hand. Right back up. Joey is attempting to capture the lizard, and the lizard is fast and powerful.
Oh no!
Too high. Let me see if I can get him.
Lizard!
Oh, wait, even too high for me. Hello, my friend.
Jump up.
That's right.
Oh,
there he is. He's good though. He kills scorpions, nasty spiders, and other little critters. Alright, lizard. Take care. Peace.